Phone backside dual camera and single flash and fingerprint here. Phone bottom side 3.5mm jack port and USB port and speaker grill here. Phone top side second noise cancel microphone here. Display 6.28-inch AMOLED 2.5D display. The device is said to come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, which can be expanded further by inserting a microSD card. The smartphone is said to come with a 24MP front shooter and a claim to be backed by a 3700 mAh battery. The smartphone is expected to run Android 8.0 Oreo operating system out of the box. Recently, a report surfaced online suggesting that Samsung is working on the in-display fingerprint sensor technology, and the company is planning to introduce the feature in its next year's flagship smartphone Galaxy S10. According to a report by ET News, a Korean news publication, Samsung is planning to incorporate the in-display fingerprint sensor in the Galaxy S10. Earlier,